They inject life force that brings ability into the building to make it a more habitable place. Their works involve with building services, for example, lighting system, HVAC system, electrical plan, and more. They also make sure of the efficient use of energy and water. They design for electrical plan, lighting system plan, HVAC system plan, and many more.
During the pre-contact, architect need to prepare a design for work. This may involve three facts: architectural design, constructional detailing, and administration of schedule. Design will entail the integrating the work of various job architect and ensure the information is available for a start on site when required. During the post-contract, work undertaken by the architect is largely supervision and administration. Architect supervision is to ensure the works are carried out according with the contract. Architect administration used to describe the various functions such as issue the instruction to a contractor that must be carried out during the progress of work.
Financial advisor, also called as an investment doctor. An advisor can assess an investor's current financial situation when he understands their regular or ad hoc source of income and assets and liabilities. The role of financial advisor is to compile the financial statement and analyze historical financial information, such as revenue and expense trend analysis, and normalize and estimate future revenue and expense. Input required from the management and consulting engineering on various expense items, including maintenance and additional project-related expense adjustment. In construction, he also needs to develop the capital improvement program with the input from the management and consulting engineers. Financial advisor estimate insurance and other professional costs, as well as cash on hand applied. He also estimates debt service based on proposed funding scenario. He also calculates the proposed rate increase based on financial alternative or other factors.
Construction manager has to prepare the site and liaison with other construction professionals, such as architects, engineers, buyers, estimators, and surveyors before construction work starts. Besides that, he also makes safety inspections of the site and ensure implementation of the correct safety policies and procedures when work is progressing. He has to ensure all regulations relating to health, safety, and the environment are adhered to make safety inspections of the site when work is underway. He also needs to record the daily activities of the project, including weather conditions. He will oversee the running of the project. He also uses construction management software to plan smooth workflows.
At the pre-construction stage, civil and structural engineer will investigate and examine location of the site to verify whether appropriate for the construction purpose. Besides, civil and structural engineers should carry out the soil tests such as particle size analysis, moisture content test, and cone test, which also called as liquid and plastic limit test. Civil and structural engineer also the person who carry out the strength calculation, load, force, and their interaction and effect on the proposed construction, and design the structural members like slab, beams, columns, and foundation to ensure they are strong enough to avoid collapse when loaded. He also designed the roof truss to sustain all expected loads and force. He produced the structural drawing, which is required for the building construction approval.
It is a professional within construction industry dealing with costs and contract. They manage all costs incurred in building and civil engineering projects. The aims are to minimize the cost of a project and also to enhance the value for money, meanwhile still achieving required standards and quality. Their involvement during pre-contract is to prepare estimates of the project, to prepare tender documents, analyze costs for maintenance, establish clients' requirement, advise on procurement method, and also feasibility studies of project. The involvement during post-contract is to keep track of any variations to the contract that may affect costs, and also they view completed work and arrange payments.
EIA expert is in charge of improving environmental management system of a project. Before construction starts, EIA has to visit the site and collect samples. He also has to collect other details of the project from design team. The data obtained from sample is then analyzed with quantitative and qualitative technique and interpreted based on legal requirement. By this stage, potential environment impact can be identified by EIA expert. EIA expert have mitigation meeting and provide advices to reduce or avoid possible impact. During construction, EIA expert has to make sure the impact of project doesn't go beyond permitted standard.
Interior design, he need to determine the client goals and requirements of a project. He consider how the space will be used and how people will move through the space. Interior design need to sketch the preliminary design plans, including the electrical layout. He specific the materials and furnishings such as lighting, furniture, wall finishing, flooring, and boundary fixtures. At the end, the interior design need to have a visit after the project to ensure the client is satisfied.
One of the roles of land surveyor is undertaking land surveys and measurements using a variety of specialist technical equipment. Examples of the specialist technical equipment are theodolites, laser alignment device, satellite positioning system, etc. Besides, he also analyzed the collected data and draft reports. He analyzing data using plans, maps, charts, and computer applications such as CAD. Other than that, he will present data to clients and discuss specific project requirements with him.